giá giá đi cái này dâu là chụp sao cái mùa dâu lầu thì hiểu gì cả hay khó hay đâu lệ. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another mukbang, and as you see, today we are going to have a pork meat again. This is it, pork ribs and the pork fats and the pork skin. And here we got bamboo shoot porridge again. Right now it's a season of bamboo shoot, so I try to eat as much as I can. And here we got pineapple. I'm gonna bite it hardly. Yes. And onion and some bitter gourd, baby, no, small one, and king chili. And here my rice. This is my rice. Okay, before that we are going to pray. Okay, let's pray. Amen. Let's dig in. Oh, nice one. First, let's drink. Diluto daan ito. Here's the ribs. So big. It's digging with the porridge bamboo shoot, the gotoys. It's all the way from our village. Okay, our village product. Here, bamboo shoot. First bite. Linda. Let's hit it, baby. So good. I love bamboo shoot. It's so juicy. Don't afraid I'm not gonna finish it. This is so good. Spicy. Ngon lắm ấy. Cắm sao vụn vụn mấy. Don't worry, okay, I'm not gonna finish it this all, because if I finish it all, I'm not gonna find husband for my entire life. So don't worry, I'm not gonna finish it. I just want to try the ribs. Uh-oh. Không bật ra cho thật. Đây là cái kìm bò ạ. So good. This is so good. Can't stop eating this bamboo. So spicy. Lintu talaga dito. I'm just skipping for the namesake, okay? It looks beautiful, right? Okay. That's it for our mukbang, and yeah, that's it, okay? I hope you like my video, and if you like, please keep sharing, like, and subscribe, okay? And that's it. Oh yeah, Zada kita tahu lah cepat salgi muzal udah here is kahai. Oh I know that. Kapasal itu hazamang le. I'm going to be a cool. Season gay cool di man.
Oh no.
Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.